Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best hair dryer that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Jinri 1875W negative Ionic far infrared blow dryer with diffuser straightening and 2-speed 3 heat setting. This is another amazing hair dryer by Jinri. If you are looking for a compact hair dryer that you can carry with you on your road trips or when traveling, then I would recommend this one. It is powerful enough to dry your hair up to 50% faster. With technologies such as negative ions and far infrared, you are left with soft, shiny, healthy and heat damage-free hair. It comes with 3 attachment nozzles that allow you to style your hair whether straight, curly or wavy. The 3 heat and 2-speed setting allow perfect use for all types of hair. Last of all, this product comes with a 2 years warranty. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the VASLON 1875W negative Ionic ceramic with cold shot button, 2 speeds 3 heat settings, 1 diffuser and 2 concentrator nozzle, black. This ETL certified Vasan hairdryer uses tourmaline Ionic technology to leave you with a smooth, frizz-free and shiny hair. If you are traveling and looking for a lightweight dryer, then this is the one. It comes with a diffuser and 2 concentrators that will greatly help in styling your hair. With its powerful, long-life AC motor, your hair will dry in a matter of minutes and you will enjoy using it for a long time. There is flexibility when it comes to styling thanks to the adjustable speed and heat settings plus cool shot button. This helps to prevent heat-damaged hair. Furthermore, it comes with an air filter that works to keep the dryer easy to clean and durable. At number 3, we have the Jinri 1875W Ionic ceramic far infrared blow dryer. Topping our list is another ingenious hair dryer by Jinri. It not only leaves your hair smooth and shiny but also frizz-free. This hair dryer uses negative ions technology and infrared function to lock in moisture and protect your hair from heat damage. It uses a durable AC motor that distributes heat evenly on your hair to dry faster and avoid hot spots. The 3 temperature and 2-speed settings and cool shot button provide much needed flexibility when it comes to styling. With attachments such as concentrator nozzle, straightening comb pick and a diffuser, styling your hair straight, curly or wavy is a breeze. The air filter is removable and ensures the dryer works perfectly and is easy to clean. Lastly, it has passed ETL and RoHS certification and comes with a 1-year replacement and 2 years warranty, which is an added advantage. At number 2, we have the Jinri 1875W negative Ionic ceramic with 2-speed, 3 heat settings cold shot button, violet. If you are looking for a lightweight hair dryer that will leave your hair smooth and silky, then this Jinri hair dryer is your go-to product. It not only leaves your hair frizz-free but also locks in moisture, thereby protecting your hair from heat damage. You can style your hair with precision thanks to the included diffuser and concentrator nozzle. This hair dryer features low noise and uses 1875 watts to dry your hair faster without getting fatigued. It also features 3 adjustable modes for temperature setting and 2 high, low speeds setting and a cool shot button, making it very flexible to use. This hair dryer uses ions technology that gets rid of static electricity that is caused by styling and helps to eliminate frizz while still maintain hair's moisture. In addition, it has tourmaline ceramic coating that provides heat distribution evenly to dry the hair inside out quickly. Lastly, it comes with a 1-year replacement and 2 years manufacturer's warranty. And finally, at number 1, we have the Beautural 1875W Ionic, 3 heat levels and 2 speed settings, cool airflow, concentrator and diffuser attachments, black. Beautural hair dryer does wonders when it comes to eliminating frizz. It uses Ionic technology to lock in moisture to keep your hair frizz-free, silky and healthy. With the included attachments such as diffuser and concentrator, you can style your hair straight or wavy. It comes with 3 adjustable heat level and 2-speed settings plus an additional cool air button that ensures you get the right temperatures for styling your hair. This hair dryer is lightweight and has an ergonomic design that allows comfortable use from any angle. In addition, it has an air intake filter that makes cleaning easy and enhances protection. This product has a 30-day full refund, just in case you aren't satisfied with it, and 12-month warranty with responsive customer service. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.